Hey Soul Family, Coach Greg here. If you are looking for a joint-friendly, low-impact core workout that's floor-based, then I got the perfect workout for you because it's this one right now. We're gonna be going through a couple exercises that are really gonna help you strengthen, tighten, and tone your midsection while being friendly on your joints and being very low impact. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, we're gonna start off with some lying single leg lifts. The goal is get down on your back, extend your feet, your legs, I should say, in front of you, and we're just gonna alternate between raising one leg and then the other. Again, not again, I haven't said this yet, but try to make sure your lower back is pressed into the ground and then you're really engaging and pulling with your core. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's do it. So one leg at a time, boom. Gonna really pull with your hip flexors try to think as if you're using your abdomen or your core to pull your leg up. Again, press that lower back into the ground, just like so. A couple more seconds here. Keep that leg as straight as you can. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we have knee to chest. I like to have my heels on the ground, knees in 90-degree angles, and the goal is we're just trying to bring our knees up, just like this. Almost like a nice little crunch. Here we go, 30 seconds, and let's do it. Boom. Really crunch. Make sure you are breathing. This is the easier variation in my opinion because technically you could keep your legs straight and then you're bringing your knees in. But I feel like this really helps you focus and target your core. A couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. Get on up. We are flipping over. Bird dog's neck. Get yourself in a hands and knees position. You want your hands stacked below your elbows or stacked below your shoulders. You want a nice, stable base, back flat, core tight. We are going to alternate between raising one arm up and kicking one leg back, bringing it back, and doing the other side. So 30 seconds. We got bird dogs, and let's get it. So here we go. Extend. Boom. Doing great. Make sure your core is tight. Again, this is very low impact, so you don't have to go super fast. Just trying to make sure we're getting that squeeze that we want. One more, and down. Shake it off real quick. Last, we have planks, but don't worry, we're gonna be on our knees. So this is almost gonna be more of an isometric hold. So again, same position as we just did with the bird dogs. Our knees planted into the ground, our hands planted, and we're going to squeeze our core for the next 30 seconds. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So nice strong plank position. I like to almost like twist my elbows in. Have a strong stable base, back flat, core tight. Make sure you're breathing. You don't want to pass out. Couple more seconds. You would think, this doesn't do anything. Oh yes, it does. Especially if you're engaging your core and pushing the ground away with your knees and your hands and technically your toes as well. 3, 2, 1, and done. See? We did that. That was low impact core workout. We got a couple more sets to go, just 2. Let's grab some water and then we'll get started with this next set.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
All right, you now know exactly what you're doing for this joint-friendly core workout. So let's get started with set number 2 right now. Leg lifts in 3, 2, 1, go. Knee to chest in 3, 2, 1, go. Bird dogs, 3, 2, 1, go. Plank on knees in 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Let's grab some water and let's finish strong with one more set. Knee to chest in 3, 2, 1, go. Bird dogs, 3, 2, 1, go. Plank on knees in 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your low impact core workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. My joints feel great. My core feels so tired, but I know it's gonna be worth it once I get to the pool later today. Without further ado, go ahead and click the notification bell while you're at it to stay on top of any new videos dropping on this channel. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.